Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to add WhatsApp button to a Facebook page. So from your home page, you're going to navigate to the page that you want to add the WhatsApp button to. Click on your profile and then find the three buttons. You're going to click on there and click on action button. So I've already got a website link button on mine, so I'm going to change that button, but you might want to just click on add new button. So I'm going to click on change button, then scroll down till you see where it says send WhatsApp message. So I'm going to click on that, scroll down and click on next. Then you have to add in your phone number where you want people to reach you, and then you'll be sent a code to set that up. But once that's all done, you'll have a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.